Shall we turn this off then, Scarlett?
She's looking a bit pinker, isn't she? Are you taking my books out again?
It's finished.
Will there be more?
Yeah.
Zach, leave her, please. Leave her.
Zach, she's playing happily with it.
I want to play with it.
No. You only want to play with it because she's playing with it. Go and sit on the sofa, please.
Yes, well, Val brought far too many desserts. She wouldn't listen to me though when I said, gosh, do you need all that? Anyway, she came at about 6:15. Anyway, it was a help.
Pedro Pony is feeling a bit travel.
What? What, my lally?
Come on, you.